Welcome to the best picks. The best baking strips is probably one of the most underrated tools in a baker's arsenal. They promise to deliver perfectly level cake layers, preventing the dreaded domed top and ensuring even baking throughout. But do they live up to the hype? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of baking strips, exploring their benefits, how to use them, and whether they're a worthwhile investment for your baking endeavors. Number 5. Wilton Bake Even Cake Strips, 2-piece set. Tired of uneven cakes? These strips are designed to solve that problem. They help you bake moist, level cakes every time. The strips prevent domed tops, cracked surfaces, and crusty edges. This ensures your cakes bake evenly and look perfect. The heat-resistant fabric distributes heat evenly. This allows the batter to bake at a consistent rate, resulting in a perfect cake. These strips are designed for both 8-inch and 10-inch round cake pans. You can use them with any cake mix or recipe. Simply soak them in cold water, wrap them around your pan, and cinch to tighten. They are also hand-washable and reusable. Get professional results with these strips. They are made from premium polyester and are safe for oven temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. What we like? This product is designed to give you perfectly level cakes every time. It prevents those annoying domed tops and cracked edges, so you don't have to trim anything off. If you are looking for professional-looking cakes without the extra effort, you should definitely consider this one. What people say? The results were impressive. They really helped prevent my cakes from rising too much in the middle, delivering a nice, level top without cracked edges. The cakes came out moist and evenly baked, making decorating so much simpler. They have definitely helped my cakes come out more evenly when baked, which cuts down on the amount of time I have to spend leveling them before frosting, and that is a plus. Number 4. Baker's Signature 9-inch Parchment Rounds. Are you tired of the hassle of cutting parchment paper? These pre-cut, unbleached baking sheets from Baker's Signature are perfect for your 9-inch pans. It's extra durable and comes with convenient lift tabs. These sheets won't curl, stick, or burn, making your baking experience a breeze. The food just slides off, so you don't need to add any extra oil before baking. Let your delicious recipes come to life. These sheets are greaseproof, waterproof, and non-toxic. They can withstand high temperatures and are made from natural wood pulp. It's a healthier alternative to other options. Forget about messy kitchen closets. These 9-inch paper rounds come in a beautiful box with a resealable bag. They are perfect for cakes, hamburgers, and even air fryers. Baker's Signature values customer satisfaction. If you're not happy with the product, they will make it right. Get yours today and enjoy hassle-free baking for years to come. What we like? This product saves you time and effort with its pre-cut parchment rounds. They are also non-stick and non-toxic, ensuring your baked goods release easily. If you are tired of struggling with cutting parchment paper and want a healthier and more convenient baking experience, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? These parchment rounds fit perfectly within my baking pans and tins. The fit is perfect and they do the same job with no fuss, no muss. Easy release of cake layers and easy cleanup. Number 3. Patelai Bake Even Strips, prevent domed tops. These strips come in a set of 6, each a different vibrant color. They are designed to make your baking easier and more enjoyable. You'll have plenty to use and replace as needed. Simply wet the fabric strips and attach them to your cake pan using the loops. You can easily adjust them to fit larger pans by connecting multiple strips. Get ready to enjoy the baking process with these handy strips. Made from absorbent, thick, and heat-resistant cotton, these strips are built to last. Remember to soak them in cold water for at least 5 minutes before each use. This ensures they work effectively. These strips are a great help in baking cakes evenly, preventing dried-out edges and ensuring the center cooks properly. Make sure your oven temperature is at or below 400 degrees Fahrenheit before using them. The strips are suitable for various pan sizes, including 6, 8, 9, 10, and 12-inch round baking trays. They can be quickly attached and removed, saving you time and effort. They are versatile for all your baking needs. What we like? This product comes in a variety of colors, adding a fun touch to your baking. It ensures even heating, preventing dried-out edges. If you like to add a bit of personality to your kitchen tools and want evenly baked cakes, you should try this one. What people say. I was very surprised that they really work. For cake, you may still need to shave a little to properly level for more than 2 layers, but by not creating a dome, it means a lot less waste when leveling and a little more rise across the whole layer. They are also very helpful for bain-marie baking with a springform pan because whatever you use to waterproof your pan, foil or oven-safe bag, can be cinched around the pan with these and still promote cooling the sides. Number 2. Mity Rain 4-piece Cake Pan Dampen Strips. These strips are designed to help you bake cakes evenly. They are made of super absorbent cotton and polyester. Make sure to soak them in cold water before use. The strips are crafted from a blend of cotton and polyester with a pearl finish. This ensures they are durable and provide excellent insulation. This helps to create a moist and level cake. These strips are easy to use and fit various pan sizes. You can connect them to fit larger pans. It's a simple solution for achieving perfect cake edges. The strips help to keep the center of the cake as flat as possible. This design avoids high-rise centers and overcooked edges. The result is a moist, level cake every time. The package includes 4 strips, each 35 inches long and 1.5 inches wide. They are the perfect baking supplies for any baker. What we like. This product is made with super absorbent cotton, ensuring your cakes bake evenly. It helps you achieve perfectly level cakes without any doming or cracking. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to improve your cake baking results, you should consider this one. What people say. These did exactly what they were designed to do, and I had a soft and perfectly baked outer crumb. The tops are flat, no rise in center, and the edges are perfect. These cake strips work by insulating the sides of the cake pan, allowing the batter to bake more evenly. Number 1. Bake even strips, level cakes, cleaner edges. Tired of uneven cakes? These strips are designed to help you bake perfect, level cakes every time. They ensure your cakes rise evenly, giving you a professional look. Made with super absorbent thick cotton, these strips keep your cake pans damp. This prevents the edges from overbaking and keeps the cake moist. Simply soak the strips in cold water for at least 5 minutes before use. Then, wrap them around your cake pan. It's that easy to get perfect results. These strips prevent high-rise centers and cracked tops. You'll get cakes with cleaner edges and a more consistent texture throughout. They are oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Single strips fit 6, 8, 9, 10, and 12-inch round pans. You can also connect multiple strips to fit larger pans. It's a versatile tool for all your baking needs. Crafted from a blend of cotton and polyester, these strips are built to last. They are designed to withstand repeated use, providing consistent results for all your baking projects. What we like. This product is designed to keep your cakes level and prevent any unwanted crowning. It also gives your cakes cleaner edges, making them look more professional. If you want to achieve bakery quality cakes at home, you should definitely consider this one. What people say. They came out so much more even, which meant no cake waste as well. The sides of my cakes are perfect, and I found that if I really soak them, then they work even better than just running them under some water. They really ensure an even, flat bake at top. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.